Today, we're diving headfirst into a world where rustic charm meets urban sophistication, the incredible urban industrial Barndominium. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's a simple way to show your love for these incredible designs. Now, if you're scratching your head and wondering, what exactly is a barndominium? You're in the right place. Picture this, a traditional barn structure transformed into a fully livable and ultra-modern home. But here's the twist. We're bringing that concept into the city and layering on that edgy and industrial vibe. These spaces are practical, stylish, and completely unique. Good for anyone looking to break free from cookie-cutter designs. Whether you're dreaming of your future home or just love exploring design trends, this video will give you all the inspiration you need. All right, let's start with the basics. A barndominium, or barndo for short, is a hybrid of two worlds, barns and homes. Originally designed for rural living, they're known for their open layouts, high ceilings, and mix of industrial and rustic elements. But in recent years, these designs have found their way into urban spaces, taking on a whole new vibe. If you love this type of look, hit that subscribe button to help us create more videos, and let us know in the comments what you'd love to see in future videos. Think of it this way. Traditional barndominiums are all about functionality. They were born out of practicality, space to live and work in one building. But when you bring them to the city, they evolve. They become a statement and a lifestyle. Here's why they're so popular: affordability and creativity. Barndominiums often cost less to build than a standard home because of their simple structure. Plus, their design flexibility is unmatched. You can go rustic, modern, and industrial, whatever you want. They're like a blank canvas just waiting for your personal touch. In the urban industrial style, we add raw and edgy materials like steel, concrete, and exposed brick. It's all about celebrating the structure itself while creating a cozy and livable home. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means to me, and it helps keep the design ideas coming your way. Now, let's get into the juicy part, the design elements that make urban industrial barndominiums so stunning. These aren't just homes, they're experiences. Every detail tells a story. First up is open floor plans. One thing you'll notice right away is how open these spaces feel. There's a sense of freedom in the design, minimal walls, high ceilings, and lots of room to breathe. This layout isn't just practical, it's what makes a barndominium feel so uniquely spacious. Next is exposed structural elements. Forget hiding the bones of your home. In industrial design, we celebrate them. Steel beams, wooden trusses, and industrial-style ductwork aren't just functional, they're a bold design statement. Then there's the beauty of mixed materials. You'll see a lot of contrast. Warm and natural wood paired with cool and sleek steel. Add some polished concrete floors or glass accents and suddenly you have a masterpiece of textures and tones. Picture a minimalist leather sofa next to a reclaimed wood coffee table. Add in some Edison bulb lighting and it's perfection. These design elements are more than just aesthetics. They're what make an urban industrial barndominium feel like home. But we're not done yet. Let's talk about what makes the exterior just as exciting. Honestly, this is where the first impression happens. And with an urban industrial barndominium, the outside has to tell a story that draws you in. So, how do we nail that good look? First, let's start with siding materials. One of the best features of these homes is the mix of textures. You'll see beautiful metal panels, sleek, industrial, and bold, paired with warm wood accents that soften the overall vibe. This combo is like the handshake that says, "Welcome to my cool, modern space." And here's a tip: darker toned wood, like cedar or walnut, Looks amazing against steel for that high contrast and contemporary look. Now, let's talk about functionality and flair, sliding barn doors. Not only do they look stunning, but they're also practical, especially for large openings or patios. Choose black steel frames with glass inserts for an industrial twist that floods your interiors with light. Speaking of light, oversized windows are a must. Think floor-to-ceiling glass panels that not only elevate the design, but also bring the outdoors in. And pro tip, black or charcoal window frames create a striking industrial vibe. And don't forget the surroundings. Minimal landscaping with clean lines and gravel paths, potted succulents, or even corten steel planters adds to that urban edge without stealing the spotlight from the house itself. With the right exterior, you're already setting the stage for the beauty inside. All right, now we step inside and trust me, this is where things really come to life. Designing the interior of an urban industrial barndominium is all about blending comfort with edge. Let's start with the heart of the home, the living space. Urban industrial barndos thrive on open layouts. This means your living, dining, and kitchen spaces flow seamlessly. High ceilings with exposed beams add that wow factor, and for furniture, think simple yet bold. A leather sectional paired with a reclaimed wood coffee table is chef's kiss. Now, onto the kitchen, where form meets function. Go for modern appliances, but balance it with industrial touches like metal pendant lights, open shelving, and a subway tile backsplash. A farmhouse sink adds a subtle nod to the barn roots. In the bedroom, keep it cozy but consistent. Stick to neutral tones like charcoal, beige, or white, and layered textures. Soft rugs, linen bedding, and maybe an industrial-style light fixture. Add a reclaimed wood headboard or an exposed brick accent wall for character. And don't sleep on the bathroom design. Black fixtures, concrete sinks, and large format tiles create a sleek and modern look. Bonus points for adding a walk and shower with frameless glass. It's clean, functional, and stunning. Every piece in these homes serves a purpose, but together, they tell a story of sophistication and style. Ready to talk about making these homes sustainable and functional? Let's go. Here's the thing. Urban industrial barndominiums aren't just about looking good, they're also about being smart. Sustainability and functionality go hand in hand here, and that's one of the reasons people love this style. Let's start with sustainability. Many barndo owners are opting for eco-friendly features. Solar panels are a popular choice. They not only reduce your energy bill but also fit seamlessly into the industrial aesthetic. And if you're lucky enough to have a bit of outdoor space, rainwater collection systems are a fantastic way to reduce your water usage. Plus, they look pretty cool with modern tanks and pipes. Another big trend is using reclaimed materials. Old barnwood for beams, beautiful bricks for accent walls, or even repurposed steel for furniture. It's all about giving materials a second life while adding character to your home. And the best part is it's sustainable. Now, functionality. These homes are built to be efficient. From smart home systems that control lighting and temperature to insulated steel walls that keep your space cozy year-round, everything is designed to work hard for you. So, whether you're into cutting-edge tech or classic reclaimed materials, there's a way to make your urban industrial barndominium not just beautiful, but also responsible. And honestly, that's what makes this design trend so special. It's about living smarter, not just fancier. All right, let's talk about costs and what you need to know before building one of these show-stopping barndominiums. Because let's face it, all the inspiration in the world won't help if you don't know what you're getting into. First off, one of the biggest perks of building a barndo is that it's usually more affordable than a traditional home. Why? Because it's all about simplicity. The basic structure, think steel framing and open layouts, that is quicker and cheaper to construct. On average, you're looking at $70 to $100 per square foot depending on where you live and how fancy you want to get. Compare that to the $150 to $200 per square foot for a standard home, and you're already saving big. But here's the thing. Costs can vary depending on materials, finishes, and labor. Steel and concrete are cost-effective, but if you're adding custom features like reclaimed wood or high-end fixtures, the price can climb. Now, let's talk about the essentials, zoning and permits. Before you dive in, check local building codes. Some urban areas have restrictions on structures that look too industrial. You'll also need to plan for proper insulation, especially if you live in a climate with extreme temperatures. And one last tip, work with a contractor who has experience building barndominiums. Trust me, it'll save you headaches in the long run. Once you've got the logistics sorted, you're ready to create a home that's not only beautiful but also budget-friendly and built to last. And there you have it, the beauty of urban industrial barndominiums. From their bold exteriors to the thoughtfully designed interiors, these homes are so much more than just a trend. They're a lifestyle, a statement, and a good blend of practicality and style. Whether you're in love with the raw industrial vibe or the idea of building something truly unique, a barndominium has so much to offer. It's affordable, customizable, and, let's be honest, just plain cool. So, what do you think? Are you ready to dive into the world of barndominiums, or do you have questions about how to make this style work for you?